Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, surprise, surprise, we have a second update for Google Chrome this week. So, if you look at your Chrome browser, you'll see that you have in the upper right corner 3 vertical dots and about help and about Google Chrome. You will be pushed to 150.0. That's 7871.128.129. So this is interesting because we already had a Chrome update this week with security fixes. And now we have another one. This one has 7 security fixes in it. And 3 of them are critical and 4 are high severity. I would guess that the reason they probably pushed this update, this second update, is because simply they're high severity, they're critical. So it's kind of important to fix because they're probably maybe scared of having some exploited in the wild. So that means you got to check for an update. It was released yesterday, late yesterday, July 16th, once again. Rolling out today, of course, July 17th. And that is, once again, what keeps you safe in the browser. Now, we talked about the Chromium browsers and the Microsoft Edge getting updates. I don't think that these include these updates, so there should be another update, I would guess, of Edge and Chromium browsers maybe early next week. So it's going to be interesting to check that out. So check it out. There is some updates for security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.